Are we saying goodbye to seller's market in Texas? Find out now on the Houston Area Realtor Vlog. Hey guys, OMARSCANU with the Houston Area Realtor Vlog. Welcome back to the show. And on today's vlog, we're going to be talking about the current market and housing trends and statistics on how homes are selling for less than list price and what you can do about that. The Houston market has been slowing down for a little while with heavy external push through a high volatility in the energy sector, and rising interest rates and ongoing inflation are making buyers' buying power and budgets thinner. All this data indicates that the market is normalizing and sellers should adjust their pricings accordingly. After the last 2 years, we're seeing price cuts and buyer-friendly concessions. So sellers should make their home prices attractive to get buyers' attention during this busy summer time of year. Get a professional to help you study and look at the data. Someone that's going to help you set your proper price expectations, but more importantly, negotiate and help you stand out to get you a buyer that's going to pay the highest amount in the shortest amount of time. So if you're looking to take advantage of a cooling market, you need to know what to look for. You need to know how much you're qualified for as a buyer, and as a seller, you need to set the proper price expectations to get the most and highest return for your home. Home values are still rising and demand is still strong. And if you need a good agent that's going to help you get to the finish line, this is Omar with REMAX 5-Star Realty. Give me a call for free market analysis and let's get the ball rolling for you today.